Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create your own graphic in Canva. It's super fast and easy. So let's get started. First, just open Canva and then next just open your designs, or you can also create a new designs and then just go to apps, this one, and then just search for the magic media and then just choose this app and then next just choose graphics and just describes that you like to create in 5 words. For example, maybe like this. For example, like this. And then next, just choose your styles over here. You can choose one styles on here. And when you're done, just click on generate graphics. And okay, like this, you will get the 4 results like this. And then just choose one that you like. Or you can also input all the results over here like this. Just click on the results and it will auto upload to your canvas like this. You can get all results like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.